What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome in new video. Today's video we will unbox together the new green iPhone 13. It's amazing color. Before we start the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe for the channel. Opening the box of the iPhone 13 green, it's a regular unboxing like the other iPhones. We will have the device, after that we will have an ejection pen, manuals and the charger cable. It's a lightning cable. This is all we have in the box, and this is the iPhone 13 green, the new color. It's amazing color. For me it's the best option of the device. So for the unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, you will have the video in our channel. The pre-order is starting tomorrow, 11 March. There is no difference in prices with this device on the other iPhones. They have the same price and the same specs. It's an exclusive unboxing, so for our channel we will have all the news of technology. Don't miss to put a like, subscribe in our channel to have all the news. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.